Alright, today, where are we? I forgot.
Gazzam Lake Nature Preserve.
Gazzam Lake Nature Reserve. Preserve.
That's what I said.
You said reserve.
I said preserve.
Oh. Okay, anyway. Bird watching yet again. Bird watching. It's that simple. We're about to go see some birds, some humans. Why is there a big boulder? I hear a bird. I hear birds here. Here. I shall help you on one condition.
Give me your foot.
Okay. You're gonna pull it off!
I can't grip on. Oh, here we go.
Yes, I hear birds close by. The Merlin app sound ID and see what birds are in the area.
Then we know what to look for.
Merlin app. Oh no. Look at that. It's a big mosquito. Hold it. What type of dance move is that? Okay. We're about to do the sound ID. So this is all it gets. This is just. It's like I'm crying.
What type of sad bird is that?
Me. Dang, I need to go poop again.
Why do you look like that? Oh no, how am I supposed to get down?
That's the fun part. What up?
Wait, I need you. I can't stop. We're going off-roading because we hear birds. That is a squirrel.
Many birds in the vicinity. Problem. Yeah.
But now we're in the jungle.
Oh, it's going.
We've seen a Pied Billed Grebe. Where's a better picture? That's it. But I saw that. And then we also saw a wood duck and a wood duck.
Yes.
And mallards. Seeing anything?
Actually, yes. Red-winged blackbird. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Mosquito.
What? No! Get away!
I did.
Okay.
I killed it with one swoop of the arm.
Are you sure that's a huckleberry?
Want one? Open wide.
What the heck? Give me more. Give me more. Give me one.
I inhale the seed.
Give me one. Are you kidding me? First you went way over here, then you went way over there. My face is here. My mouth is here.
What do you want me to aim for your face?
Ah! Why you hurt me?
You want more?
Yeah.
This one's tiny, perfect for inhaling.
You hit my arm.
Ah! No. No. All is well. I've got 4 berries. Which one do you want?
A berry.
Oh, that one. Alright.
Well, now that we're gonna have vomiting and diarrhea, let's continue on with the trail. Does that leaf taste good?
Tom, you want to catch one?
Wait. It's what Sierra sees. What do you see, Sierra? That's the question we all want to know. It's a bird. We're back in the car now. And we're gonna head home because I'm hungry and I'm tired.
I made brownies. And they're at home. And I'm hungry. And there's frosty.
Let's go places.
We're lost.
No, we're just mildly delayed.
What road is this? It's Winslow.
Okay, I don't know.
You keep on taking rights. We're just gonna go in circles.
This is a left ending.
Oh.
Joke.
We're tired and hungry.
Oh, Highway 305.
Oh.
Which way do we go?
I don't know. I want my brownie.
What's wrong with the brownie?
Nothing. It's just a little gooey in the middle. I feel the pain.
Yeah, you feel the pain, but you know what I see? Dry eyeballs. You need to blink more often.
Your eye is red.
I don't have any problems with that.
Why won't it turn green?
As soon as you say that, in the middle of you saying that, it did that.
Take my back, green light.
What is that?